Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your Realme 14T faster and more efficient. In order to make it faster and more efficient, there are a few things that we can do. And the first one will be keeping your phone updated. This is very important to just have your phone run smoothly. You can go to the settings, then go to system and update. I don't really have internet access right now, but if you go to software update, then it'll start checking for updates, and if it finds any, you will have an option to just download and install it. While it's being downloaded, you can still continue on using your phone, but once it is downloaded, it will prompt you to restart your phone in order to apply the update. And after the restart, you can just use your phone with the newest software version. Now I'm gonna also click on three dots and click on auto update. I would highly recommend to have the auto update overnight enabled, so your phone just gets updated without your input. Although it may be not available for major software updates, so it's still worth checking from sometimes if there are any updates available. Now let's get to the next thing. You may notice that there is quite a few bloatware apps, and we're gonna install the bloatware apps so our space on the phone isn't taken and just that they don't work in the background. And also it'll make our phone a bit more cleaner looking. So the first one is the folder must play. Just press and hold on each of the apps. You can't really select all of them at once, so just uninstall them. They are really worth trying since most of them do have ads each 15 seconds. Okay, so I have that sorted. Now in the more apps folder, you'll also see the Amazon Music, Booking.com. You can leave it or uninstall it, whatever, it's up to you. The Block Plus is a game. I know some people that like it, so you can keep it, but if you don't really want a game on your phone, or don't want this exact one, you can also uninstall it. Then this Shortmax, whatever it is, I would highly recommend uninstalling it. It's not any good. Then AliExpress, also it's up to your preference. Then Spotify, Temu, LinkedIn, Netflix, TikTok, Amazon Shopping and Facebook are also up to your preference. You can keep them or uninstall them. And now let's get to the next thing, which will make our phone faster. By the way, also if you go to the app market at least once in your on your phone, then it will enable something that you can see right here. I can't really see it, but you most probably will see the hot apps and games folder on your app drawer. So if you want to get rid of it, go to the app market, then click on me and click on the settings, and make sure that hot apps and games are disabled, so you just don't see these annoying folders, which aren't really folders, they are just links to the app market with some poor quality apps. And now let's get to another thing which will make our phone much faster and more efficient, although will drain a bit of battery. So only use it occasionally if you're planning on playing some games or whatever. Go to the battery settings, then GT mode, and you can enable that. And that'll increase the performance and also your resolution, the frame rate and everything, but will drain some battery, so as I said, only use it when needed. And now I'm in the GT mode, so my phone will run a bit better in games. To disable it, you can just see in the notification, you can, I think, click on it. No, you can't. Actually, you need to just go to settings, GT mode, and disable it once you're done with it. And now, another thing, if you want to make your phone appear faster, it will not really make your phone work faster, but appear faster, and that you can just quicker do some certain actions, is changing the reducing the animation duration time. And in order to do it, you need to be pretty careful because we will need to enable developer options, which if you let your children use your phone, then I wouldn't recommend enabling that option, because if they accidentally go into the developer options, then they may break some things in your system. And also, if you just go into the developer options and start changing all of the settings there, then probably you can also break something in your system. So only do the settings that you understand. And let's go to system and update. To about device and go to the version. Then click on version number 7 times. You may get asked about your screen lock, but I don't have one, so I'm not asked about it. Then go back and go to system and update, and developer options have just appeared. So you can go down and down until you see the animation scales. And I don't really know like which animation scale is applied when. So what I like to do is just change all 3 of them to the same value, so it just makes sense for me. And if you want to reduce them, then set them to a lower value, or if you want to increase them, which won't make your phone faster but slower, you can set it to a higher value. But as you can see, if I set it to 10 times, then it's really slow. But if I set it to off, then it's gonna be just no animation. Super instant. But I don't like the no animations look, so I will prefer to set it to half time, and I'm gonna set it to all of them, and you can see it appears much faster, so I can just more quickly do certain actions on my phone. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.